ready to play, Javi?
Yep.
Ready to play some Black Ops 2?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to be playing Black Ops 2.
Yep.
Okay? All I'm going to be using is a knife. And I have to sing while I play. So get ready.
Play zombie this time.
No, we're going to play against each other, and you're going to kill me. Well, no. All I'm going to use is a knife, so I'm going to be sucking very badly. So you ready to play?
Yep. Do it, baby. 'Cause I'll fool you.
Oh. Okay, here I go dying. Okay, here we go. You're going to watch me react into playing. Pick a gun, Javi. I have to use a knife, so it's fair. Okay, here I go. Here's my song, Javi.
What's the girl?
All I am is using a knife. Go easy on me. Oh no, you just kill me. Oh no, you just kill me again. Oh my gosh, this isn't even fair. Knife, stop killing me. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I just killed you. No, you killed me again. Why? Stop killing me. Making me cry. No, I'm dead again. Y'all know it's hard on me. All I have is a knife. And y'all killing me like I'm your worst enemy. Stop killing me. Why do you killing me? I'm dying. Isn't it even fair? I'm dying. I'm done. Yeah. Oh, no. You just kill me again. No. You just kill. Oh no, you just kill me again. No, you don't. Please don't kill me again.
I'll kill you.
Why? I feel pain in my body tonight. Feel pain in my body. Now I'm spinning in a circle 'cause I have no meaning in this game. Y'all killing me like I'm your worst enemy. I'm mad, bro. I'm about to get mad. I'm about to break this girl's jaw. That's how mad I am. Oh no, he's taking my weapons, using the knife, and then he just killed me after that. No, that ain't gonna happen today. No, not today. Get it on my nerves. All I have is a knife, Johnny. You keep killing me. What's wrong with you? Do you hate me or something? Moves like it. Can't even get a kill. And you think, what the heck? You just killed me again. You just killed me again. Kill me again.